Hello, welcome to Corky's Tea Time. I just finished with my second cup of coffee. And today, obviously, Christmas came out of the cupboard. Isn't it cute? So cute. Well, we have a showing tonight. How's my hair looking? I need to hire a stylist. Yeah, we have a showing tonight. And it's a family. I'm excited about this family. And I think that we won't be there, but they came by. They're very interested. And I think they would be very good for the house, and the house would be very good for them, but they'll decide that. And I think they really like the garden. They had come a couple of times because they are very interested. They want inside really bad. And I think if they take the house, that the house is going to hear music, cultural music. I think holidays will be spent with family and friends there. I think they're going to be very busy people, and the house will be happy, and they'll be happy. And it's all going to work out. And then we have another showing tomorrow. Okay. They had originally scheduled it for today. That would have put them back to back. But to give them each some space, you know. The realtor scheduled it so one tonight and one tomorrow. And so we'll see how that goes. And oh, another neighbor came over, an update. Another neighbor came over and said, my husband was talking to him last night while watering the garden. And my husband said, yeah, we had somebody, open the door and just walk in. And the guy goes, yeah, I saw that. He goes, but I didn't know that he just walked in. I thought he was there, that you guys knew he was there. You were expecting him. And, my husband let him know, well, I just think he was sent over from a real estate agency and he was just there for the house. But he probably didn't expect to have somebody in the house, So either he'll be coming tomorrow or he's probably never going to come back. And allergies, I don't know if I'm getting tickled by the dog litter, aka fur. I don't know. It cooled down. It really has cooled down. We got up this way. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I want to feel the sneeze coming on. Woke up this morning and everybody was cold. It is cold outside. It's warming up. It's going to be about 78 today, so we got down from 95 to 78. I'm just out looking out the window at my daughter's garden. Everything is so pretty. And she has these purple flowers. They're on a long stem. They're on a long stem, and then there's like a puffy purple ball at the top. I don't know what those are. I'll have to ask her. First time I've seen them. But I know that she stood there smiling at her garden this morning before she left for work. You know how us mothers are. We watch our kids even though they're adults, And she was happy what she sees in her yard. And so at least the dogs are laying down and being quiet now. They just got done with their burst of energy. That's how golden retrievers are in the morning hours. They have this huge burst of energy. They are just all over the place. And then they'll just lay down like a rug. And you have to walk over them for the rest of the day. I didn't know that was in the golden retriever trait, So, oh, tickle nose, tickle nose. Of course, it doesn't happen until I decide to start making a video. Well, the husband went out to go get us some pizza for lunch. That'll hold us over for the evening, and we'll probably just have some snack or something, And not much else going on, Kind of quiet, Oh, that fire. That was over in the town where I live. Don't know how I got started, but it was right in the center of a park. Right, big old circle right in the middle of the park. So I'm like, somebody had to have gone inside that circle and started the fire there. Like they were trying to hide or something. So it could have been a homeless camp setting up inside the park and they wanted to cook a meal or something. So it's a mystery, but we'll probably never know. But I do pray for the people in Hawaii who have lost their homes, their businesses, their family members. That is a story in itself of sadness. But they're strong. They will get through this. I hope they rebuild. I hope they keep their properties. I'm hearing stories of developers and whatnot calling people and offering them money for their properties. So Dan, not much else going on, not much at all. When I went to the doctor's, I told the doctor I have this lump in my throat all the time. No matter what I do, lump in the throat. So, you start thinking things, And the doctor said, how do you feel after you take heartburn medicine? I'm like, oh, the lump goes away and I feel fantastic. Stomach doesn't hurt or anything. So she wants me to take some heartburn medicine for the next 2 weeks. And she goes, at the end of 2 weeks, stop taking it. And she goes, and if the lump comes back, we'll do an endoscopy. I've had one before and I don't like it at all. And she said if the lump don't come back at the end of 2 weeks, she goes, you probably just needed a reset. So we'll see how it is at the end of 2 weeks. I need to keep track of it on my calendar too. Yeah. I need to go to the thrift store or Ross. Actually, I should go to Ross this weekend. I do want to go to Ross. I do need a new bed sheet. Nothing worse in the world than looking at your bed sheet and it has a hole right in the middle of the sheet. And it's from using bleach. You can only bleach things so many times and then they get a hole in it. Wears the fabric out. Okay, so go to Ross, get some bed sheets. I'm really leaning towards getting a new bed pillow too. My bed pillow seems as though it's getting hard, So doesn't that mean it's old, it's time to change it out? Because I like to sleep on my left side and when I wake up in the morning, oh, my ear hurts so bad. So tender, and I'm like, I bet you it's that pillow, how hard it is. I probably need a new one. And let's see, what else did I need? A sheet? Pillow? And you know what? I'm trying to look for some more silverware. Bed Bath & Beyond closed in this town. Everything has closed here. So that's why we have to go to the thrift stores to buy our stuff now. I'll check and see what they have at Ross for silverware, but usually it's that real thin junk. I'd like to find some silverware that has a hollow, puffy handle. That's what I like. Something gentle, delicate that you could hold. Not the flat stuff that hurts when you press it down on your finger to butter your toast or something, Or hold a spoon in your hand to eat your soup. And then, stuff like that. So, I'll let you know how it goes at Ross, okay? Or if I end up at the thrift store. I don't know where this cough is coming from now. All right. Everybody have a really great day, and I will talk to all of you later. Okay? Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.